500.
Yes, guys,
so this
we
one
finally
did get
got
delivered
this
about an hour or
Fiat
two ago.
500
I wasn't here,
and I'm sure you all
I had
remember.
another lad just
It was
quickly come
pretty
and
much
chuck
a
the car over
straightforward,
and grab
pretty
the keys
simple
off the
fix this
driver.
one. But I
One
did
thing he
forget
did
to
tell
take
me is he
a
goes,
video
the
of when I
engine
was
doesn't
selling
run,
it. However,
which
buyers came down, loved the
I'm
car.
hoping
There's
isn't the
absolutely
case, it
no
might just be a
price
flat battery,
negotiations. Took it
because
for
it
a
was a
test
running driver's
drive.
car. That's the main reason
Asked about
why
the
we went
history of the
after
car,
it.
so I just directed them to the channel.
Now,
Told them about the
this
history,
is a front
and they
end
took the car without any
I've just noticed
questions.
it's got some there. So
Which was brilliant. However, they did come back the following day because the engine management light came on.
It's got a tiny bit of an indentation.
However, when
there, which
it came on when they had the car, brought it back to me.
We can
I
see
connected
there
the
that the
computer
trim's
to it
actually
because
come
there was
away,
no
but
light
I
on,
think we can just
and
heat that up and
there was no
manipulate
fault code
it
in
to
the
go back
system.
in a little bit.
So I think it might have just had a bit of a funny day. Anyway, they took the
no
car
other
back.
visible
I have been in contact
damages.
with them since.
He's the
There's
one
no
that stuck that
faults, so they're
sticker on.
happy with that.
I would have just put a black piece.
Just for the
over half
inconvenience
of
of the engine
plate.
light coming on and bringing it back, I
Used
did
masking
refund them
tape and
50
like
UK
beat it
pounds.
over with a bit of paint or something.
Just, you know,
But,
as a little gesture. Obviously, it's an
doesn't look
inconvenience.
too
You don't
bad
want
from
something
this
like
end.
that. Anyway, they're more than happy. Took the car away, no issues.
So we've got the right
They
in
couldn't
that
have faulted
on.
it.
Obviously,
I do
I
know
told
that
him
now
take
the
as
car's
much of
insured,
it-
taxed,
as much of
and
it
it's on
as
the
he
road.
could off.
And
So, just
the
about
guy
here
who
we
came
had
and
all,
bought
like,
it, he bought it for his daughter.
number
So
and
it's her
stuff, so he
first
took
car,
that all
and
off.
it was definitely within
The
their price
door's all
budget. They couldn't have
fine.
faulted it.
Got nothing wrong
So
with
we've
the
sold
door
this
there.
one. We are
Wheels
looking
got
at the
a few
next
scuffs,
project,
nothing that
which
polished
we
couldn't
should be
sort
hopefully
out.
picking up in the next couple of
And then
days.
we move on to our damage.
Hopefully we can grab that one and we can get our weight on.
Is the entire front end.
So
Well,
upwards
not
and better
entire
stuff.
front end.
Anyway, guys,
Well,
as
in fact,
usual,
it looks like
please like, share and subscribe because it definitely helps the
might
channel
just be a
grow,
straightforward
and hopefully we can
bumper
get some
on, and I
better
have
content
priced
for
up
you
some bumpers.
guys,
We're looking
and
at
we can get
300
better
quid
cars in, and who knows, in
in
the
the same
future
colour
we
complete.
might actually be able to do 1 or 2 raffles
obviously,
on cars
we've got to
like
take that
this
into
because these are affordable, cheap to insure, cheap to tax, rather than, you know, raffling Lambos and stuff like that. Well, I can't afford it anyway, but you never know, one day we might be able to get to that stage. Right now I was thinking of raffling these. What's your opinions on that, guys? What do you think? Is it something you guys would be interested in? But please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.